Hey folks, Fred from Lex here, and I want to let you know about a new feature we're calling Focus Sessions. So what is Focus Sessions? It's basically like Strava, but for writers. If you've been for a run before, you know there's two main challenges of running. There's getting going and keeping going. And Strava helps you stay on track and logs your run and shows you how far you've run and how quickly you've run. And Focus Sessions is basically our take on the same premise, but for writers. Let me show you how it works. So here's a session I did a few weeks ago. It was a first draft of a blog post I wanted to churn out. And it went pretty well. You can see that the words over time we have here, and it was pretty consistent up and to the right. It actually increased a little bit about halfway through. The pace of words per minute increased, so even better. But overall, yeah, pretty good session. I rated it 3.5 stars and gave it a little summary and then shared it on Twitter. So let me show you how you can do the same. So let's go into Lex, let's create a new document. Now on the right hand side, we have this focus session icon. You can click that and open it up. And then we set what the goal is for this session. So the goal for this session is demo focus sessions. Pretty original. We can set some targets, so we could choose to set 2 hours, pretty extreme. You can set no target, or you can type any target in you want. So for the demo, let's just do 5 minutes. And then you can set a word count, so you can either choose to set a positive word count if you're looking to add words to your piece. You can set a negative word count if you're looking to reduce, or if you're just editing and you're adding and removing, you might have no word target. For our example, let's do 30 words. And then you can choose whether you enter focus mode or not. We'll start in focus mode, maybe halfway through we might exit out. We'll see how we go. Click start, now we're into the document. Let's write a title, so focus sessions demo. This is pretty great, original writing. And now over on the right hand side, our toolbar is obviously slid off to the right because we're in a focus mode. But we can hover over to the right and pull it open again, and you can see that we're about 30 seconds into this session, and we can click and we can actually see our chart already. We're 9 words in, and you can see how long's left basically here. So we're going to keep writing. Let's write a little more. As you go back over to the side again, see that our now word count has grown, which makes sense, and we're still on that first minute, so everything that we're writing in this minute is getting added into that first node here. Let's go ahead and exit focus mode, and you can see some more stats at the top, how you're doing, 14 words out of 30 this session, and we've actually just ticked over into the next minute here, so if for example we decided to delete a little bit, and then we open it up again, we'll see that our curve has now gone downwards because we've started with 14 words and now at 9. So you can see your progress over time, which is pretty nice. And we're going to go ahead and paste in some words we already had just for the purpose of this demo, and we've hit our goal. Superb. So now we've hit the goal. We could choose to extend. Do you want to go further, longer, more words, or we can stop. For this, we're just going to stop. And now we can see our graph over time. And it really picked up pretty quickly when we pasted those words in. And then we can give a rating. Let's go 3.5. And yeah, great demo, would demo again. Fantastic. Take a quick screenshot. Boom, can share that on Twitter. Nice, so that's basically focus sessions in a nutshell. At the moment, it's pretty basic, but there's many features we want to add. So we'd love to get your thoughts and feedback. So if you give it a shot, get in touch and let us know how you found it. Great, thanks.